How to get rid of cherry angiomas using the natural home remedies. A benignant skin growth that is naturally common and doesn't cause any harm to your health is called cherry angioma. Although there are many traditional treatments for the removal and treatment of cherry angioma, various home remedies for the treatment are available that may assist in reducing the appearance of these reddish spots. Evidence indicates that by the time a person reaches his 70s, there is a percentage of 70 to 75% that there will be many cherry angiomas on his skin. Studies highlight that there are 5% chances of having cherry angiomas in teens. What is cherry angiomas? Cherry angiomas are oval or circular skin growths that seem reddish and are normally very small in size. They are usually non-cancerous and appear on the trunk or torso. Similar to a mole in appearance, these growths are a buildup of small capillaries or blood vessels. Campbell de Morgan spots or senile angiomas are its other names. If the skin growth is not bleeding or not even changing its color, shape, or size, there is no need to worry about it. But if it bleeds or you notice any changes in its appearance, then talk to your doctor. Home remedies for cherry angiomas. You must not be worried if you have these spots in your body, but still, if you want them removed because of cosmetic reasons, here are some natural remedies that you can apply for the removal of cherry angiomas. These home remedies are inexpensive, easy to use, and all the ingredients required for the treatment are handy. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. If you regularly use natural home remedies, you have probably found out the benefits of apple cider vinegar. It miraculously aids in the removal of cherry angiomas. The acetic acid in it makes it useful as it is made by the fermentation procedure of apples. How can you apply it over your skin to remove cherry angiomas? Take a cotton ball or a small clean cloth and dampen it into apple cider vinegar. Rub it softly over the moles and let it sit over your skin for 20 to 25 minutes. If you feel any sensation, irritation, or bleeding, you can tape down anytime. Repeat this procedure for a month and you will start seeing results in the form of clear, shiny skin. Number 2. Tea tree oil. It's a widely known fact that tea tree oil has been worshipped for centuries for carrying antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory qualities. The same factors make it an ideal skincare product. This oil has been touted for its quality to remove cherry angiomas. You just need to mix 5 to 10 drops of this oil with olive or coconut oil and make it onto the reddish spots as many times as you can until you see them vanished completely. Number 3. Iodine. Some researchers have highlighted that iodine deficiency in people can lead to cherry angiomas. So, if a person improves iodine intake, it can fade the spots. Although there is no scientific proof of this still, you can judge it by increasing iodine intake. Natural foods like seafood contain a high proportion of iodine in it. You can add iodine supplements in your diet, which are also available in liquid form. However, before adding any supplement to your diet, do consult your doctor. Number 4. Lavender oil. This essential oil is suggested as a natural remedy to remove cherry angiomas. You can mix it with any carrier oil and apply it over the spots till you feel the mole-like spots are gone. Number 5. Pascalite Clay. Pascalite clay is mixed with water and a thick paste is formed. People apply this paste over the spots and let it sit there for 10 minutes. Repeating this process twice a day can be very helpful to shrink the cherry angiomas.
Anyways, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you. Have a nice day.